In this video, we're going to explore how we can adjust the top right side here of our div, where we can give the border and also a nice rounded item here with the border radius. To do this, all we have to do here is basically to say border, then top right radius. And for that here, we can say here, let's give this a more bigger radius or a more rounded version by giving it a 20 pixels. So once we refresh here, you can see here now, this has a nice, stronger edge or rounded corner compared to this mini tiny edge here. And this is how you can use the top right radius. As you can notice here, if you're going to give a destination, or how this is being done is basically when you pinpoint a specific location, the first part will be the vertical item, meaning is it top or bottom, and once it's top or bottom, then it will be as left or right. And that's how it works here. So you can see your top right radius. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.